Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Getting your Yahoo Mail on an Android phone is straightforward. The simplest way is to use the official Yahoo Mail app. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar at the top, type Yahoo Mail and press Enter. Locate the official Yahoo Mail app, usually marked with the purple Yahoo logo. Tap on Install and wait for the app to download and set up. Once installed, open the app. You will see a prompt to sign in. Enter your full Yahoo email address and then your password. Tap Sign In or Next, and your inbox will load, giving you full access to your emails. Alternatively, you can add your Yahoo account to your phone's built-in email client, or even the Gmail app if you prefer. To do this, go to your phone's Settings app. Scroll down and find Accounts or Passwords and Accounts, then tap on it. Select Add Account. From the list of options, choose Personal, IMAP, or sometimes just Other. Enter your Yahoo email address and tap Next. Then, input your Yahoo password. Your phone will attempt to automatically configure the server settings. Confirm any prompts and tap Sign In or Next. Your Yahoo mailbox will then synchronize with your chosen email app, allowing you to manage your emails alongside any other accounts you have. Both methods provide easy access to your Yahoo messages directly from your Android phone.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.